So we are solving question from GATE 2012 electronics branch. This is 1 mark question. So in this we have to find the impedance looking into the nodes 1 and 2 in the given circuit. We have to find the impedance looking into the nodes 1 and 2 in the given circuit. So the options are 50 ohm, 5 kilo ohm, 100 ohm and 10.1 kilo ohm. These are the 4 options. Now this circuit consists of only dependent sources. This is a current dependent current source. This is a current dependent current source. So we can write it as CCS, current dependent current source, because it is dependent on current IB and current IB is flowing through here. This is the current IB. So this is the current dependent current source. So this circuit consists of only dependent sources. So to find the impedance, we have to assume the voltage VDC here. So because this circuit consists of only dependent sources, there are no independent sources. So we have to assume that voltage VDC is applied here, then current IDC will flow through it between nodes 1 and 2, because we have to find the impedance between nodes 1 and 2. So then the impedance will be equal to ZTH will be equal to VDC upon IDC. So this is how we find the impedance in the networks which consist of only dependent sources, that we assume a voltage VDC and the current IDC will flow through that voltage, and then if we find the ratio of VDC to IDC, then we can easily find the impedance. So VDC is applied here, so this voltage will also be VDC. So now we can easily apply the Kirchhoff's current law. So this current is outgoing current, so VDC upon 100 is the first outgoing current. Then this is the other outgoing current, VDC through 10 kilo ohm. So plus VDC upon 10 kilo ohm. So 10 kilo ohm I am writing it as 10,000 ohms. Then this 99 IB is the incoming current. This 99 IB is the incoming current. So minus 99 IB. Because 99 IB is the incoming current, then this is also the IDC is also the incoming current. So minus IDC. So minus IDC is equal to 0. Minus IDC is equal to 0, because this current is the outgoing current, then this current is the outgoing current, IDC and 99 IB are the incoming currents. But IB is this current, so IB is equal to minus VDC upon 10,000, because this VDC upon 10,000, this current is nothing but minus IB. So IB is equal to minus VDC upon 10,000. So we can write that here. So we can substitute this value of IB in this equation. So VDC upon 100 plus VDC upon 10,000. And IB is minus VDC upon 10,000. So minus 99 into minus VDC upon 10,000 minus IDC equal to 0. So this will become 99 VDC upon 10,000. So it will become this will become plus. So 99 VDC upon 10,000 and VDC upon 10,000 will be equal to 100 VDC upon 10,000. So we can write that here. Minus IDC equal to 0. Minus IDC is equal to 0. So this 20 will cancel 20. So again it will become VDC upon 100. So VDC upon 100 plus VDC upon 100 will give 2 VDC upon 100. So 2 VDC upon 100 and if I take IDC that side, then it will be equal to IDC. So VDC upon 50 equal to IDC. So VDC upon IDC will be equal to 50. So the equivalent impedance is equal to 50 ohms. So the correct option is option A. So this is how we solve such questions, that this current was not this circuit consisted of only dependent sources. This circuit consisted of only dependent sources. So we had to apply a voltage VDC here and current IDC flowing through that VDC. Then the impedance will be equal to the ratio of the VDC to IDC. So this was easy, and then only we had to take this, that IDC IB is equal to minus VDC upon 10,000, because IB is nothing but VDC upon 10 kilo ohm. So VDC, this current was flowing in this direction, it was the outgoing current, and IB is the incoming current. So both directions are opposite, so I have taken the minus sign. And then when you substitute this value of IB here, then it will be a very easy equation to solve. So this was a easy question, but the only thing which you remember this, if this is the circuit consists of only dependent sources, then we have to apply a voltage from at the terminals nodes 1 and 2. So if you have any doubt, then you can comment me in the comment box, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and you can send me any doubts. If you have any doubt in any previous year GATE question, then you can message me. Thank you and best of luck for exams.